Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make egg pasta. This is pasta in Indian style. Very easy and a quick recipe. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a saucepan full of water. To this add 1 cup of macaroni pasta, a teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of oil. Give it a quick mix and let this cook for 8 minutes in medium flame. It's been 8 minutes now and the macaroni pasta is well cooked, so drain off the water and set it aside. Heat another pan and to this add 1 tablespoon of oil. When the oil is hot, add 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic. Saute well for a minute. Then to this add 1 onion finely chopped and 1 green chilli chopped. Saute until the onions are transparent. Now to this let's add some spices. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon of chilli flakes and 1/2 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Mix it well. Now our masala is ready, so go ahead and add the cooked pasta and mix well. To this crack in 2 eggs and give it a quick mix. Then sprinkle 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder and cook until the eggs are completely done. Finally, sprinkle some chopped coriander leaves and our delicious egg pasta is ready. Serve it hot and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, delicious and a quick recipe. So do try this egg pasta recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video. So please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.